So if you want to start a business, that is in school. The business collapse, yeah, I won't see you safe. Nobody is coming to save you. Corporate jobs don't make you rich, forget about it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Workwithebere. I'm a licensed physiotherapist based in Abuja, Nigeria. This video is a video that's kind of like dear to my heart. I would love to like share my experience or things that I know now that I wish I knew as an undergraduate, or that things that I've learned now that I wish I had done before I graduated. This is something that you're interested in, you definitely want to keep on watching. So the first thing I wish I knew as an undergraduate before graduating is that if you want to start a business, start it in school. Honestly, for me, I feel like starting your dream business in school. If you know you're a business kind of person, if you know you're an entrepreneurial kind of person, I advise that you start a business in school. That way you're able to fail early, fail on time, do your try and error, try and get your business starting and then growing. Back in school, you're able to like start growing your business in a step-by-step, slow-paced era. That way you're able to build a certain degree of financial dependency a bit. Probably when you're outside school and maybe you were faced with like no job opportunity, you still have something that you can back on. That's your business and you always like try with it. But if you like graduate without doing anything, you tend to have like a longer period of time to be able to like get a certain balance, because most times whenever you're done with school you realize that there's no actually job anywhere. Actually, you will have to like know somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody's godfather and grandfather. You know how this kind of thing works. So I advise that if you know you're someone who loves to be entrepreneurial, start a business in school. Okay, start there, don't be scared, do what you know you can do. The business collapse, yeah, I won't see you safe. Okay, but just start doing your business in school. Start building it. When you're done with school, continue building it. Except probably when you're done with school, you tend to have like a new interest that you want to like venture in, that you can now navigate another different path. But having a business that you already started doing is more like a safe space to give you like a safer start in life after school, basically. So start, do your try and error, try all the businesses that you want to try in school, see which one works for you, and then as you graduate you have something to build upon than waiting for a job that is probably not coming, or you have to start begging an uncle and auntie that all these kind of crazy things. So if you know there's someone who is entrepreneurial, I would advise that you start your business in school. Okay, I mean that's the best way to go about it. Or rather, start not even your business. You can even be, maybe you would love to have a career in singing, for instance. Start singing in school. Start making your singing content in school. Grow your influence in the singing space. If you know you're an artist like me, start in school. Start growing your name small. By the time you're done with school, you have something that you can build upon as you're waiting for whatever job that you plan to get. So there's like a soft landing, as I said before. Starting your business on time is a safe place to navigate as a graduate while being a business undergraduate type of person. You get the point? Okay. The second thing that I wish I knew as an undergraduate now that I'm a graduate is that enjoy every moment in school. I know I keep saying this in all my videos, I know, but that's the fact. Enjoy school. Don't be in a hurry to leave school. Don't be in a hurry to be an adult. I mean, you're already an adult. Yeah, you get the point. Like graduate adult and undergraduate adult, that's a different kind of adult. You get the point. So don't be in someone hurry to leave school and start being a graduate or start facing life basically. So you enjoy that moment in school, take it step by step. Don't try to be in a hurry to graduate and face life. Make friends, snap pictures with your friends, make videos, build community, join clubs in school, advance your social skill set. Just basically enjoy school life. Enjoy school life now that you're in school. Don't try to like rush everything to be a graduate and to start doing hot girl shit stuff. Start from school. Basically enjoy school, enjoy that phase, enjoy every level that you are in school. You don't need to hurry, okay? You don't need to rush. Life is still lifing. Life will see life. So just be enjoying every phase that you are in right now, okay? That's another thing that someone told me, or that I wish I knew as an undergraduate student. So another thing I wish I knew before I graduated school was that everybody have their own problems, okay? Nobody's going to leave their problem to face yours. I don't think everybody should come to your rescue. Everybody should listen to you, or that everybody should be focusing their attention on you. No, my love, everybody is navigating one problem or the other. Everybody have different things that is taking their time. Everybody is trying to figure out life for themselves, but nobody has really gotten life figured out. Even your favorite influencers are still, all of them, some of them are still trying to are still in that phase of self-discovery, their goals discovery. So they are still doing try and error. So everybody's focusing on themselves. Nobody's looking at you. Nobody's focusing on you. Everybody is trying to make sense of their lives. Okay. Before you graduate, just have this in your mind that all man to himself, basically. All man to himself. Everyone's trying to navigate life in a way that they can. So nobody's looking at you. Nobody is trying to carry your own matter on their head. So you should be one to carry your matter on your head, okay? And focus on yourself and build yourself and make yourself into who you desire yourself to be. All right. At that point, I want to say, which is kind of relating to what I said before, is that nobody sends you. Nobody is really sending you. Now that you're just everybody's like trying to fill their life. Just like how I said in the previous point, everybody's trying to fill their life. Nobody is looking at you. Wants to be a dancer, go ahead and do that. Nobody looking at you. Nothing concern anybody. People are trying to even make sense. They don't know what they want to do with their life. So don't think that, oh, this one is sending you, that you are, chasing your dreams, that you are creating videos like I'm creating videos. You think people are looking at you, but people are trying to like even make sense of their own life. So better you focus on yourself and know what you like to sow, on what you like to do, and I'm doing that. Don't looking at anybody. Don't be like, oh, my classmates to see me, or that my friends to see me, like, what would they think of me? Like, nobody cares about what about anybody think of you. Okay, everyone's trying to focus on themselves. So you need to focus on yourself. Do what you like to do. Do it. Don't be scared that someone watching. Even if they're watching you, my love, do it like that. Do what you know is true to you. Do what you know you want to do. Do what you know you see yourself doing in the next 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years. Okay, don't look at anybody else. Don't feel like, oh, this person looking at me, person talking. I'm about to say talking shit, but yeah, talking shit. That this person is saying something behind your back. That one, concern you. Your one is that, do I like what I'm doing right now? Is this taking step to the kind of future I'm trying to create for myself? If the answer is yes, so my love, continue doing it. Don't focus on anybody else. Don't focus on, oh, what this person is saying or doing. Nobody sent you. That's the point of this particular point. So focus on your goals and be moving with it. So another thing I know now as a graduate that I wish I knew before I graduated is that start planning your life on time. It's always safer to have an idea or a plan how you want your life to flow through, or how you want your life to pan out. If you're someone who loves the corporate ladder, maybe you like whatever it is that you like to do, things that you have planned your life to do, I think it's best to start planning it on time, not when time has passed you're like, oh my god, what I do in my life. The earlier you start to plan yourself, the better. You can also get mentors that will assist you or that advise you or give you like guidance. Okay, that's to plan your life on time. That way you tend to fail early, fail faster, and learn faster and learn early. Okay, it's as simple as that. That is the key. That's on time. Don't think you're too young. Don't think you're too. You say, 1 million years in front of you. I mean, yes, you do have 1 million years in front of you, but the earlier you start these things, that are better for you. Okay, the better the experiences, the better the knowledge. You don't have to wait till time has passed for oh, I would have done this. Start on time. Okay, start now. Do that thing you want to do it, schedule it, afraid it, blah blah. I know I've heard do it afraid 1 million times, but yeah, you have still not gotten it. Get it, okay? Do your things afraid and then be like that. Fail faster, fail forward, and reap fruit earlier the better. Okay. So another thing I know as an undergraduate, the next thing I know as a graduate and wish I knew as an undergraduate is that nobody is coming to save you handsome or pretty. Nobody is coming to save you, okay? So you are the only person that is in your way, that should save you. Don't bank on anybody to come and row your boat for you. Don't bank on anybody to come and carry you and put it in your dream life, or that come and put in your dream future. No, nobody is doing that. Everybody is trying to carry themselves. People are struggling to carry themselves. So they leave themselves now to come and start carrying you to put in your dream life. Nobody's coming to do that. You can have like friends and well-wishers, people who will support you, but then the whole responsibility is on you and not your friends. And you cannot be expecting them to be there for you 24/7. They have their own life they're trying to like fend for. Okay, everybody have their own life they're trying to fend for. So you cannot be expecting, oh, this person did not, and that person they are doing it, but do not, you're trying to face their own problem, they're trying to face their own life. So you cannot be expecting them to leave their own life and face yours. I think that would be a selfish way of thinking, because everybody's carrying their cross. So please carry your own cross and walk your way through life with God by your side. Believer of God should be in everything, So always involve God in your plans and goals. So you can't expect somebody to come and carry your life for you and take you to your dream life. It doesn't work that way. So nobody's coming to save you, my darling. So the earlier you start, do your mistakes. Try, fail, try again, fail. The earlier you start to do all those things, the sooner you get to enter into that phase of success or victory. I mean, nothing good come easy, yes, but then really to invest in yourself, the better you get to attain that level. Okay. All right. So another thing I know now as a graduate that I wish I knew as an undergraduate is that there is no job. Create your job. There is no job outside. Whatever I see people telling you, there's no job outside. Do the job that I get to see. You have to know somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody that knows 1 senator, 1 minister, blah, 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 blah. The wise way to go about this is that first of all, just know that there's no job in the country, so you have to for ways that you can help create one. So you should be thinking of, you should be in a creative kind of mindset. What kind of thing can I create to open job opportunities for myself? What kind of thing can I do to create a source of income for myself? Do I want to learn a skill? Do I want to learn how to be a fashion designer? That way I'll get to learn a skill and then monetize my skill. Do I want to learn a tech skill? That way I learn a skill and get paid for doing that. Do I want to create job, open businesses, start businesses? So that is the way. That's the way forward, honestly. There's no job again. Even the job set that you probably get to get, it cannot make you rich. Oh, wait. And not run too much. And not run too fast because another point I have to talk about. But basically, the job, and just say it though. The job you're trying to get, it's not make you rich, it's not make you have enough money as having your own or creating your own thing will make for you, okay? So what I'm trying to say is that there's no job outside. So create what you want, create your job, create the job for yourself and then employ people. Create the job opportunities. Be the creator of the job opportunities that are lacking, okay? Get a skill. Fashion designing. Okay, for instance, you learned fashion designing and now you have grown the skill, you have grown your customer client base. Now you have people that know that you sew clothes. So they come to you, oh, please help me sew this clothes. They pay a certain amount of money to you. Now you're getting plenty of orders. You need more hands to deliver these clothes in the shortest possible time. What do? You shop advertisement. Get people who work as tailors for you. Now you have created what? Job opportunity to other people. So you see how creating job helps you, branch out and contribute to society at large. You have created a job opportunity just by knowing your skill and monetizing your skill. And now when you get to grow in that capacity, you are also able to create more job for other people. So that's why I feel like going through this route is a more productive route, or is a more economical route, because you tend to create the job that is lacking. You get the point. So create your job. There's no job outside. If you're an undergraduate thinking that, oh, graduate, I'll get a job and then live happily ever after, that's not how it works, okay? There's no job outside. So try and find something to create your own job, learn a skill. If you have long legs, able to secure a job, good and fine. Congratulations to you. So if you don't have as much long legs, you can start creating a skill, start a business, As I said, start on time. Try, fail, you learn, you do again like that. So it's having something very sustainable. Okay. Yeah. So another thing I know now as a graduate that I wish I knew as an undergraduate is corporate job cannot make you rich. Lie. It cannot make you rich. Salary you want to earn in that place, it cannot make you rich. Your money, they can even sack you anything. Go back to square one. So I wouldn't say you bank on corporate job. Try and create something for yourself. Be a creative. God is a creator. He created the universe. So create something. Start a business, learn a skill, monetize your skill. I like the corporate job, which is still fine. Because I think I have a friend that loves corporate job, which is fine. So if you get that route, that is fine. But from what I've experienced or other things I've seen, I've not seen anybody in the corporate job made them rich. Even though like there are some particular jobs that pay very, very well, but now if you check the percentage of jobs that pay well to the corporate jobs that don't pay well, the one that don't pay well is higher. Those ones that pay well are rare, or that they are not as common. There are ones that you have to you have to know somebody. You have to have this kind of leg like this, long legs, to get this kind of job. So we now come and be dormant and then waiting for this job to come to you, and most time you have to even pay money to get those jobs. Reality check. Sometimes you have to pay money to get this job. A job that you're paying money to get is never sustainable enough. So this is where all these things is going into. You understand? So corporate job cannot make you rich. It just puts you on like survival mode. So you're like eating hand to mouth. So if you have a corporate job and then you also have something else that you're doing on the side, like a side hustle, you are the OGs. Those are corporate job and also have like side hustles, so you don't depend on one job. Try and get like different things that are working for you. That way you have various or different sources of income for yourself, which is more sustainable. Okay, so try and have like different sources of income. Personally, I can get money from my physiotherapy, I get money from my paintings, my artistry, and I get money from YouTube or sponsorship or whatever. So make sure that even though you are doing a corporate, even though you are doing for anything, even though you are doing business, even though you are creating YouTube, whatever you are doing, just need to have like multiple things that you know you can bank on. So in case one doesn't happen, the other one can, help surge the damage. You understand? Yeah. So the last thing I'll talk about now is that prioritize quality friendship or quality relationships. Okay. See, kind of people that you listen to 247, kind of people that you have around you all the time, kind of people that you speak with, hear or see, blah, blah, they have a way of influencing your life one way or the other. So acknowledge that these people I'm speaking with or this place I'm going to has a way of influencing my life. Why don't you choose a better kind of influence? So invest in quality friendships, quality relationships. And that, yeah, these people are people that I can have meaningful conversations with. The people that know that yes, someone reason the same way. We have similar mentality, we have similar mindset, we have similar ideas or perspectives about life together. People that I can talk with and I know that I'll feel fulfilled after speaking to this person. Not that you speak to that person, you feel more worse than yourself. You feel like you are a failure just by you feel drained just by speaking to that kind of person or speaking to somebody. Those kind of people that you feel drained after speaking to are not people that you should hang around with. So be intentional about kind of people that you want to bring into your circle and kind of people that you listen to, kind of people that you see, and kind of people that you make friends with. Kind of people have a way of like influencing your mindset, influencing how you think, influencing how you dress, influencing how you talk, influencing everything about you. So be intentional and pick with your full senses. Like be intentional about the people that you want to, people that you bring to your circle, basically. So yeah. So these are the things that I know now as a graduate that I wish I knew as an undergraduate. Let me know which of these points resonated with you more in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond to you. Or if you have a point that you'd like to share with the community, feel free to do that in the comment section. We'll all be learning from each other. I hope this video was informative to a degree and also helpful to you. Don't forget to share with your friends, okay? Don't forget to like the video. It helps push the video to other viewers. And then don't forget to subscribe. The Nigerian family is amazing on here. I have lots of videos in the channel that you can watch after this one. So I hope you're having an amazing time. I hope you're killing your dreams. I hope you're moving in the right direction of where you want to go. I hope you're taking baby steps. Okay, so this is a community where you will love to stay. I'm happy to have you here. I'm happy to be here as well. So I will see you amazing, wonderful ladies and gentlemen in my next video. So you just stay amazing and you just stay blessed. Bye guys. I know as an undergraduate, my other undergraduate that I wish I knew as hey